Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How's it guys? So, I want to say one thing. If y'all are traveling on 40, stay safe. It's a death trap in disguise. We already had 2 crashes happen this year. One is fatal, maybe fatal. And this year, just sometimes broke down. I hope they're okay. So one was, I think it was fatal because someone had a brain. Their brain was bleeding. And yeah, so yeah, and they also had surgery on Saturday, not this Saturday, but yeah, maybe it was, I don't know. And so he pretty much happened like over there. A crash happened again. A white van was coming east to go to eastbound to go to Daytona, and a van I guess was coming out here, black one, and the white van hit the black van. You actually still debris over there. And the white van hit the black van, and I guess tipped the van because it sounds like that happened. But I can't promise what happened truly. But his brain's bleeding. The guy that happened, it happened on Friday night, and the brain bleeding. So yeah, and another crash happened over there. I don't know what that is, but it's nice. And another crash happened over there with a black car, in FHP already there. You don't know who that is? That's Florida Highway Patrol, state troopers. Don't want to mess with them, they'll give you straight up a $500 ticket. And Cena, another course international, this international, particularly this time had a bow horn on a tip with old Fords back in 1955, I think it is. That's the crash support. And we also had another car abandoned in the parking lot. It got towed. I don't know where it is. I think it was a Chevy Trailblazer. It's got a Chevy Trailblazer. I know it's black, like that, darker. Oh, I don't think it's that Jeep. If it's that Jeep, then I have nothing to say about that. But as I said, one wall sometimes. Talking like here comes a fight now. Oh, people. Hang on. There are 2 pumps. Hey, look at me coming out here. Y'all wondering about the books? I'm probably not gonna give them away. My printer that I'm using for school is the best one that we have, and it sucks. Like the orange was going to be brightened up as far as it got brightened up till it got yellow. Like that yellow was dry wired version of it. But then what happened was it had the thing all yellow, and all the colors are different colors and stuff than they really are. And only the white trucks are accurate. All the accuracy of y'all taking pictures are probably worse than mine. No, better than mine. Also, in this video, we're gonna be talking about my feelings for Hailey. Now, right now, my feelings for her is a little bit super emotional, but I've been emotional. I'm always emotional around Valentine's Day. No idea why. Like, in the whole February month, I'm emotional. Trees. And then, second thing is I'm emotional because I like her and stuff, yeah. So I'm emotional. No more act for 13-year-old that's emotional. Alright, and gotta be wondering. Oh, a couple trucks coming right now and international. Marathon Express Inc. Check them out. And That's what I have to say. It's. I can put a watch. I just want to see a lightning walk, but then it struck me. Then one thing, because level, a lot. I never would say I hate her. Now I can prank a bill. I'm actually gonna edit the poll or change the poll. Just because it says, should I say I hate her? What prank should I do on Hailey? Should I say I hate her? Or should I say, or should I simply say, they still respond. She sent calls from yesterday, I believe too. Then, and then, I also, real girlfriend, boyfriend, truly I asked her for proof. She said it's fine. I'm asking her for permission for a lot of stuff I say. Okay. Like, for instance, I say something like, hey, Hailey, can I say, this in a video, like, can I say that your girlfriend, boyfriend, in the next post I do? And she's like, yeah, you can. But I think she, like, she's to the point where she says yes to everything I say. I don't know, but she says yes to everything I say. That's one way you can tell a girl likes you. Oh, really, I don't like people when they say yes to every single dang thing I say. Yeah, it's annoying. But, no, it's not. Although, one time I did get annoyed from one of my friends. Me and Brantley can't be friends anymore because, his sister said I touched her. I never touched her. I better not have. But if I did touch her, like, nah, I accidentally did and I walked by or something, or tripped or I tripped on a couple of the girl's legs a couple of times when I had a computer in my hand, but I couldn't see on the other side of it on the ground. But still. But then I also, I don't have that long to a meaning. And also, the way we I like her is because how she looks and how she acts, and yeah. I also always love them how they are, and not how they look, but how they act. I'm only doing it because, well, I don't know, all my friends have blonde hair, like all of them, even though all of them. Now, Aurora, she has a little bit of dirty blonde, kinda like Hailey. I think I don't know. Hurry up, focus. You need to focus on the road. Focus. One thing you have a girlfriend, first thing you should be asking is like, what kind of songs do they like? What kind of food do they like? What kind of drinks they like? And stuff like that. Oh, I never did. But like I only asked like what kind of songs she likes, and I didn't even have to ask what kind of movies she likes. My brother always asked that. Truly, she like kind of like solving like the crime investigating movies like me. I like them too. They're pretty fun watching, and sometimes suspense sometimes. Alright, I'm ready with the green sword again. Yeah, glows in the dark. Oh yeah. Spell attic and look down and saw here we go. Now, that may be wondering. That's too inappropriate for a boy. Well, I seen it. My mom told me to say that, and then next year they say y'all hate that, then blame it on her to see someone that did it. I get what she meant by that instantly, but as soon as I hear something like that, like I see you, like, are you like? She says, tell me all one, but spell it out and look at your feet and touch it. Touch your feet and look at it. It's the are you in. I can are you in to one. So, one thing is for me, I L U is I love you. But if I do ILUH is I love you, Haley. So yeah, I might just do that. Like I heart O ILU. Is that a Volvo? Heck no, it's not. But yeah, it's a drunk Volvo. A drunk Volvo is an article. A drunk article is white. A drunk white is a sign of history, of course. He had a sucky horn. He didn't have a good horn like I wanted. Look at that. One thing I don't want to see, hate spiders. I love spiders. Fish ain't good. Or talking spiders. I took some pictures of one oil during my meeting. And took a video of one. I was so to her and say, hey, Haley, I filmed a video for you. Wanna see it? And she's gonna be like, oh yeah, I saw. Hey, look at that. Then she says, she got scared and stuff. And I hug her after that. I can prank. And she's like, it's a prank. It's okay. Then I just think she was like, hey, so why do you like bugs so much? Why don't you like spiders so much? She like pretty much like bees. They help all the animals and plants help us all in a different way. Like some of them help with eating other things so it won't get you out of hand. So you kill a spider, that's 100 more mosquitoes that's in the world. And some mosquitoes are good, some mosquitoes are not. Now, yeah, there's some bugs I hate. Like, the only bug I hate is the actual horseflies. Yeah, I have used some actually, like the dragonflies eat them. Y'all wondering? That's a little flying bird. Almost like the plane that I seen yesterday. He's laughing his butt off. Also, when I say LHBO in a video, LHBO, it means laugh whole butt off, laugh his butt off, or laugh Haley's butt off. I know. But I think my brother and Aiden, they cannot be around my friend anymore. Like, I mean anymore. They embarrass me for all my. Oh, he waited. He even took his hand off the post and he got all 4 solid tires on that. Expensive. He got me for a second. I about to say, really? You're not gonna honk? Go fake. Yeah. Boys gonna get mean. Maybe. No yellow boy right there. Huh?